Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to Lululemon to try out the Cactus Materials Saddle Crossbody Bag in 2 liters. So that is the size. Now on Lululemon's website, they say this leather alternative is partially made from cactus. Now I'm not entirely sure what that entails because I've never actually heard a leather being made out of cactus before, or even, any material for that matter. So that is really interesting and sounds pretty innovative. The materials and care do show that the body and the liner are both 100% recycled polyester, however, so take that to mean whatever you take from it. And if you can translate it for me in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. Now, the care on this is the same as any leather. It says spot clean, do not wash, etc. Now the bag itself is kind of like one bucket bag, and it does come with a crossbody strap, which you will see me now struggling to assemble. It was very challenging to put on, but I guess that does mean it will be very challenging to take off as well, so it feels pretty safe. Now it does have one slot on the back for your phone or papers or what have you, so that is a really convenient addition. And then otherwise inside the bag, it just is, one little plain catch-all with a pocket on the backside. So overall, not too many bells and whistles with this bag, but it does seem like it's space efficient and it is pretty lightweight. Let me know what you think of this bag in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.